Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to remove the parental controls in your Epic Games, step by step. So let's just dive right in and get started. For that, you can open up your browser. And once you open up your browser, you can go to Epic Games account. So type in Epic Games and hit enter. And you will be finding the official site right here. You can open it up on any of the browser and log in with your account if you're not logged in. And the thing you need to understand is we must know the parental control PIN. Without the PIN, Epic Games does not allow instant removal for security reasons. So once you are here, once you're in the website, you can look out for your profile in the top right. And then just go over and select up the option of account here. And once you go to your account, you can go to parental controls directly from there. So once you reach over to your settings on your left hand side menu, you can scroll down, find the parental controls and click on it. And in order to continue, you need to start by entering up the PIN. You can do so. And once you enter the 6-digit PIN, and once you are here, you can just go and turn it on, such as payment. You can turn this toggle option on. Same goes for other store and fav. You can just go and look out for this. And even allowing voice and buttons. We have social permissions, time limits, time reports, etc. You can just go over and turn it off from here and even reset the PIN, and that is how you basically turn off the parental controls on your Epic Games. And that is it, everybody. You may follow this process to do so pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.